Welcome to my course, Angular Components Like a Pro. Fasten your seatbelt, because you're gonna start an amazing trip to the depths of the Angular that is gonna change completely your perspective on the components and will open your mind to everything you can do with them. In the first step, basic level, you're gonna see what is the component decorator, how to build a new component, how to provide the styles with the CSS pseudo class host. You will also see the input decorator and property bindings, the output decorator, event emitters, and how to do event bindings. You will see the component lifecycles. And finally, you will learn how to use the template reference variables. On the second step, intermediate level, you will learn how to structure your components using containers and presentational components. You will see how to move the business logic from components to services in order to use single responsibility principle. You will learn the difference between providers at a module level and at a component level. You will feel comfortable between observables and will learn how to emit events from services using subjects and behavior subjects. You will also learn how to use sync pipes. You will understand the different strategies on change detection, on default and on push. You will learn what is the shadow DOM and what are your options to encapsulate the styles of the component. And finally, you will learn a lot of good practices. But our final destination is still better. In the advanced level, you will learn how to project content with ng-content directive, how to move this content to specific spaces of your component using projection slots, how to access your parent component from the child, or the other way around, accessing your child with viewChild and viewChildren decorators, how to access projected content with content-child and content-children decorators. You will learn what are query lists. You will learn how to use element ref and a native element. And you will learn how to achieve a platform-agnostic application so it can work both inside servers and inside web workers. And finally, we're gonna create dynamic components. Don't you feel excited? Get ready, cause we're gonna start.